Workers at Dunn's River Falls in St. Anne are speaking out this evening following a damning audit which pointed to massive fraud at the attraction. The audit report also uncovered fraud control failures, financial misstatements, insufficient processes, and gaps in information technology controls. But as TVJ's O'Shane Masters reports, the issues at the St. Anne-based attraction seem far deeper.
The government is being blamed for its lack of oversight into the operations of Dunn's River Falls and Park in St. Anne. Individuals who have been on the property for over 40 years say the writing has been on the wall for some time now, but no measures were put in place to fix the problems. Their identities are being withheld for fear of victimization.
The government takes so long to intervene in order to deal with this level of corruption, because this man has been there from the PMP party was in power, right? And we have been seeing this type of operation, right? And to have this man working under the People National Party administration come back over under the Jamaica Labour Party administration, it's really ring a bell.
Speaking with TVJ News last Tuesday, a worker at the attraction said they brought the matter to the attention of Chairman of the Urban Development Corporation UDC, Ransford Braham. Among the issues, a worker operating his personal businesses through the Urban Development Corporation's shops, which were designated to sell Dunn's River branded items.
Bringing in one private investment and having one business running on government property. Government don't know where them the money they go or where them come from. Him come there to assist the government to make sure the place run properly and run it orderly. He didn't see an opportunity where there's no oversight committee to watch him. So him do as him wish.
However, TVJ News has learned that the worker is no longer with the company. This was confirmed by the UDC. As it relates to the misappropriation of funds, the workers had this question.
How can money slip through without he seen?
The workers are therefore calling for a deeper investigation into the affairs of the St. Anne-based property. O'Shane Masters, TVJ News.